Joining us here today, we have Mike Maddock and Leanne Go. And Leanne, you're with Innovate UK. It's a pleasure to have you here representing that. Tell me a little bit about that organization and purpose.
Sure. So Innovate UK is the UK government's innovation agency. We fund business-led R&D, business-led innovation. I am their advanced materials lead, so I look after their advanced materials program, and part of that is our graphene program. We've spent on the order of 40 million pounds in graphene in the last few years, just on businesses, looking at graphene applications. And one of the things they've told me that they would like is more international opportunities and more opportunities for collaboration. So I have brought this week to Boston a group of 14 UK businesses working in graphene application who want to learn more about the innovation landscape in Boston, who want to learn more about what venture capital is like and raising money, who want to learn more about who they could work with in town. And the MRS, of course, is one place where they could really find some partners. So that's what we're doing.
You're absolutely right. Mike, you're one of the representatives brought along for the ride. So
Absolutely.
Tell me about why exactly you're here. What are you hoping to get?
Well, we're a high-performance engineering business that provides solutions for our clients. So we're really heavily engaged now in looking at graphene and how we can unlock the potential of graphene for our clients for solutions that are required here and now, but also solutions for 20, 30 years in the future. And so working with Innovate UK, Innovate UK basically will unlock the potential by funding high-risk projects. So therefore we build a relationship with Innovate UK, we'll put an application in on a potential research project, they'll review it, and then hopefully they'll fund it, and whilst funding it, takes the risk out and de-risks and help us draw in other investors as well.
So it's a positive relationship.
Absolutely, yes.
And have you noticed that you're able to do more things with an organization like Innovate UK?
No, they're really generating the research because, especially in the UK, there's a little bit of an adverse or a fear of investing and a fear of taking things forward. So when you work collaboratively and you get the support from Innovate UK, when you've got areas that are high risk, but there's a real potential for a high return, so the old risk-return benefit, then they can take some of that away by the funding.
Now, Leanne, what is your connection to the MRS, Materials Research Society?
Okay. So first, I'm a material scientist. I trained as
That's a good connection.
Yeah, exactly. I'm trained as a physical chemist, but I did my PhD on surface science and nanoscience, and then I spent my career in industry at spinouts, at British spinouts, all of them trying to commercialize novel materials. So, so the MRS is sort of, is a bit of a home in terms of my background.
Now, what brings you to this meeting in particular?
So, so the MRS was a good anchor for us for this visit, right? Because everybody's in town for MRS. So, so we can have, we had a reception last night where, we invited a bunch of people who were in town that they could otherwise not get to meet, things like that. So, so for this, it's a good anchor for us.
And Mike, how's it been going for you? I mean, you mentioned graphene. Are you learning things? Are you seeing what you were hoping to see?
Yes.
Yeah, short answer, yes.
Yes, short answer, yes, yeah. The reason I hesitate is because technology is moving so quickly. Not only in years anymore, it's in a matter of months. So our type of company, really, we need to keep ahead of the curve and try and understand what's out there. And when you're working with clients, they tend to only measure themselves in the environment in which they operate and the competitors that they're operating against. They don't have that holistic view and understand what's out there in the marketplace because it's just moving so quickly. So therefore, we try and keep ahead of that curve, but also, therefore, we'll look to create those solutions. And it is about collaboration. It's not about competition. We really need to unlock the potential of graphene for the whole of for our countries and also for the globe. And it has some real opportunities from commercial aircraft right out to CO2 capture.
Very good. Leanne, final question. How can someone who's interested in engaging with Innovate UK find out more information? Where can they go? So
you can go to our website. If you just Google Innovate UK, you'll get to our website. We are being very well supported by the British Consulate General here in Boston. So if you go to them, they'll be able to point you to me or somebody who's interested. The Department of International Trade here would also be able to put you in touch.
A lot of avenues.
Yep. And of course, if you see any of these guys around, just
grab them.
Yeah, exactly.
Leanne, Mike, enjoy your stay. It was great talking to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Chris.